Hello everyone, this is Rahul again from Zoho Desk. Imagine this, you log in on a Monday morning and boom, you see a lot of tickets than usual, or a sudden drop in the number of outgoing emails, and you wonder whether your weekend team was active or not. So this is what we call as anomaly. And guess what? Zia will help you detect these shifts before they turn into a crisis. To enable this, head to the settings page and then navigate to the Zia section where you can find anomaly. Click on it and you will find the option to turn this on separately for incoming and outgoing as well. Once you enable this, you get to choose the difference ticket that needs to be considered as an anomaly. You can also play around with these criteria so that you can tell Zia what exactly need to be considered as an anomaly. And the next option here is to turn on the notifications. Enable the notification and choose the business hour of your choice so that you get notified only during these business hours. Once this is enabled, Zia will try to understand the incoming and outgoing pattern and try to set that as the trend line. And if there is any change in the number of incoming or drop in the outgoing emails, that will be predicted as anomaly and you get notified under the Zia notification. And here, Zia notification is right here on the bottom. Click on it and see if there is any anomaly predicted. Click on the anomaly prediction and this star represents the anomaly. And here you can see the regular trend is 0, but at 4 p.m. I've received about 9 tickets. So that's the anomaly. Clicking on the anomaly will open another window where you can see Zia's auto tag feature in action. So here you can see all the tags applied to this ticket during these crisis time. So that is anomaly prediction, whether it's a product outage or a customer exodus. Zia will help you stay ahead of the curve. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one, field predictions. Thank you.